Good afternoon, YouTubers. Tsquare with Tsquare Talk. So today, silver just hit $26. And no, I'm actually filming this video a little bit early. I like to do that. $26 though. You will not see this video if silver never hits $26. But I'm willing to record this video today on December 20th because I am 100% sure we are going to see $26. And when we do, I'll already have the video up. I'll instantly post it up with a big $26 logo on there. And, you know, we can say that those of us that got in early and believed it was going to continue to go up has done really well at $26. Because if the price is $26 at the time of watching this, which nobody will see unless it hits $26, then not only have you done well, but there's starting to probably become a panic. And a lot of people are trying to rush into trying to buy silver and gold. I don't want to necessarily show the packing slip yet, although I have it here. I should have showed it because I'm going to show it to you guys anyway if I can get this out of here. So it's before Christmas. Silver, people are looking at silver right now as, it's a waste of money. It's not doing much. It's a little discouraging. But when you guys are watching this video, $26 is pretty exciting. 26 bucks. I can't even believe that silver got to 26 bucks. I knew it would. I thought it was going to last year. But we didn't see it, obviously. I mean, it's the 20th, and I'm kind of wondering if we're going to see some kind of a little pullback on this stuff. However, you know, silver, the demand is high. People all want silver because they see what's happening to the fiat currencies of the world. And as that continues to happen, this is real wealth. Time and time again, people throughout history have given their life for silver and gold. For treasures. They've risked it all for a chance at making some money. I've said this video time and time again about my thoughts on gold and silver. I've done a lot of videos on it. And, you know, a lot of people, to this day, I still have people that will leave ugly comments and laugh and stuff because they don't understand. And I'm a little ashamed to say this, but there was a time when I didn't understand, and I was the same way. Before I keep going with this story, because I'm about to tell you an exciting story, please make sure you hit that thumbs up button for me, hit that subscribe button for me, and leave me your thoughts in the comments below. I love reading y'all's comments. But, you know, back when I was in the military, a few people may have heard this story if you've been following the channel for a long period of time. I had a friend in the military when we were in the Middle East, and this was in 2000. This was during the dot-com bubble, and I was loving the stock market. I was loving the dot-coms. I was making literally a killing of money. I was making more money off the stock market than I was essentially making from being a military soldier. However, with that being said, a lot of people know the eventual outcome of the dot-com boom. I was relatively lucky that I had a child. I bought my first house, and I was able to sell a lot of my dot-com stocks, my just different investments, and get out before the boom, before the bust, I mean. And it paid off for me. However, a lot of people were not so lucky. We've seen fiat currencies and paper investments go up and down and up and down. But over time, you know, people will say that about silver, but over time, silver has always really gone up. Yes, you might see an extreme high. You could see silver just blow up to 50 bucks, and it's not worth 50 bucks maybe. And then you see it come back down to a fair market value. But over time, silver has always gone up. I mean, you could take almost any period of time, unless you want to be specific to a certain date and say, if I bought on this date, I did not make money. Well, you know, how many instances, how many people can say that? Really? Not many. I mean, you would have had to have bought specifically at a horrible time, and essentially you bought out of fear. You know what I'm saying? People that buy toilet paper by the truckloads because there's a toilet paper shortage, you know, they might be stuck with it for a while. They'll never be able to resell it. If you don't believe that, take a look at what was happening at the grocery stores with pastas after the whole food scare. Look at what happened with hand sanitizer after the whole pandemic. You know, you see stuff like that, but that's people buying out of fear. If you've been buying silver as a wealth preservation, you have done really well. If you've stayed the course, if you've bought in a little bit each week, slow and steady. I don't know when you guys are going to actually see this video because, like I said, we're not at $26 right now. In fact, we're only at 23 something, 24, I think, maybe 24. But the squeeze is happening. More people are getting into this. More people are buying tangible wealth. And they're not buying it in a little 32.15 ounce bar, 100 gram bar, 1,000 gram bar. They're not buying it like that. They're buying it by the truckloads. They're buying it by the 1,000 ounce bars. And those are the people that are going to have the bulk of the money. And do you think once they have it all, that they're going to care what silver goes up to? Oh, well, I hear this a lot. Oh, well, we can't see silver go up because we use it in too much industrial. Why not? Why can't we see it go up? Gold is up. We use gold a little bit in some industrial products in very small amounts. Silver can go to whatever price it has to go to because that's supply and demand. If you don't want the product, don't buy the product. Whatever it is, whether it be solar panels or whatever. The thing is, people are going to always want new technology. They're going to work at getting it. And the demand for this stuff, not just financially as a monetary asset, but as a industrial demand, is going to go up. There's a lot going on right now. We've got a lot of China closed down right now because they're trying to have zero of that word that we're not really supposed to say, the pandemic. But eventually stuff's going to open back up. Stuff's going to get back to normal, and it'll be a new normal. Don't get me wrong. The new norm is going to be different. But we could have some kind of a real money at that point when we basically destroy all the fiat currencies of the world. Who knows what's going to happen. So for today, that's going to be it for the video. Really. Oh, before I go, though, I can't not go without showing this. Before I forget. Although, you know, this is kind of a bad example because it doesn't exactly say what I paid per ounce. What it says is that I paid $827 for 1 kilo of silver on 12/15. And I filming this on 12/20, and you won't see this video aired until silver hit $26, but it's coming. It's right around the corner, I believe. And at that point, when you're airing this video and you see $8.20, whatever I paid for this, you're gonna be like, darn, I wish I had bought in some at that price. But this was a universal coin and bullion package opening. I did order that from them. I order from them regularly. They run, periodically they're running specials like they're running right now, just $2 an ounce over spot. I've built up a good rapport with them. I have my good friend Chris over there, and he literally keeps me up on what's going on, and we talk like once a week. I'm calling in, putting in a small order or sometimes a large order. You know, it all depends. This is a little bit of a large order for a week. But you know, I'm getting ready for what's coming. $26. Congrats, guys. We hit it today. So thanks for watching, everybody, and y'all have a good one. I hope you enjoyed the video. It's a little bit of fun. There's a lot of excitement out there on this. I'm sure there's going to be a lot of videos popping up today on $26 silver because it's only going to keep going up from here, in my personal opinion. Not financial advice, nor should it be taken as such. Gotta say that just in case. I don't want someone betting their whole house and life savings on it and then see it drop a couple bucks and then they're panicking. I'm in it for the long haul. I'm not in it for the short haul. So with that being said, thank you all for watching. Please, if you enjoyed the video, please hit that subscribe button, hit that thumbs up button, leave me a comment, let me know your thoughts. I love hearing y'all's thoughts and opinions. And until next time, keep stacking, my friends. Have a good one, guys. Bye-bye.